touch her, please.
I'm telling you to back up.
I can't touch her at all.
No.
She hit him.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Can I give homeboy my wallet?
Yeah.
My wallet. Alright.
My car.
Hey, I said can I give them my wallet?
Yeah, we'll do that.
You said yes.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay, so how am I? Hey,
back up. Back up.
You said I could give her my wallet.
Stop.
You said I could give them my wallet.
Back up.
You said.
Back up. I will talk to you in a second. Back up.
Left pocket.
I'm not going to tell you again. Go on the street over there.
My wallet. You said I could give my fucking wallet to my left pocket.
Please.
Left pocket.
Go on the sidewalk.
Outermost
Thank
pocket.
you.
It's in my left outermost pocket. Baby, take my wallet. Baby.
I can't. Tell me to back up.
Take my left. I said my left. That's not my fucking left, is it?
Calm down. Please.
Stop.
If you listened to directions in the first place, when I said left, if you knew your left was fucking right. I said left. Did I not say left? I said left. Did I not say left?
Stop turning around on me.
I said left.
Watch out. Back up.
And if I said left the first time, really? Really? Fucking really?
Stop fighting me. Look, you are about 100 pounds. You need to stop. You're not going to win this. Stop.
Can I say something?
What? How many rats say that? How many rats say that? How many rats say that I'm 100 pounds?
Sir, can I touch her, please?
I'm telling you to back up.
I can't touch her
And
at all.
stop. No.
Police answered a disturbance call. An intoxicated woman resisted arrest, fought officers, caused chaos, and was later convicted.
No. Back up or you're going to jail too. Back up now. I'm not going to tell you again, dude. I have been... Back up.
Take my glasses.
You're going to go to jail if you don't back up.
Take my glasses. Bite tire. Bite tire.
Rylan, please stop fighting.
Can I have a unit, please? Just for transport.
Rylan, please.
I'm done. I'm done. My
done?
hands are cupped to each other.
All right, we're done. We're done.
All right,
Grab it before he runs over them. Grab them.
Babe, relax.
Before he runs over them, grab them.
We're not going to run your glasses.
Grab them.
Chill.
Can I grab her glasses,
Grab
please?
them.
Sir, there's nothing I can
He
do.
can't do shit when he's fucking
Can I grab
tied
her
to
fucking
me.
glasses?
He
I
can't do
don't
shit
know how many times I have to
when
tell you
he's tied to me.
to back up.
He can't
back
do
up
shit
on the sidewalk.
when he's
now.
tied to me.
Rylan.
When he's tied to me. Okay. Hey.
Babe, I don't have a phone. I don't know how to
Baby.
get home.
Hey, baby. Listen. Hey, listen to me very clear.
They kept my
Stop.
phone.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay, the legends. Okay? Legends.
What the fuck?
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay? The legends. Hey, baby, grab them!
Stop.
Grab them! Grab them!
Put it in your car for me. Actually,
Grab my fucking sunglasses!
Alright, hey, let's go up against the car.
Hold on. Look at.
Wait, you're fucking joking. You're going in the car?
You just search her real quick.
Yep. Alright, let's
What the fuck are you doing?
on the...
Hold on.
Really?
Push her back this way. She's probably gonna kick, so just... She's not been searched.
Give me a female, bitch! Give me a female!
We're not gonna do that. Yeah. We're not... The whole thing. All right, look, we're gonna play that game.
Hang on. Hey, let me go on this.
She's not.
I'm not gonna cooperate as long as there's a man around. So remove the men. Remove.
I'm the only thing down there.
Search her.
Remove.
Yeah.
Remove.
In your head.
Remove the men. Remove the men. Remove the men.
Finish searching.
Remove
That is.
the men. Remove the men. Remove the men. Stop.
When you're acting like this, come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop.
You deal with this
You're
in the
men.
jail.
You know how women act. So
You deal with this in the jail and you want to act like this in your profession? Oh, now you're getting assaulted. Alright, go ahead and finish searching. You're good, finish searching.
You gonna bite me? You gonna bite me?
me, baby. Me.
She's not going to be able to
Go ahead.
because she's on the other side.
Did she bite you?
She tried.
Yeah, she tried.
She tried to kick us. Got her.
Alright.
Come now, come here.
Yeah.
Buckler her. Actually, let's hobble her. Get her out and hobble her.
Can I explain something to you real quick? I can take you to jail right now for obstruction. I'm not going to, but listen.
Sir, I
I'm
backed
not going to
up.
argue
You said
with you.
back up, I
And you
backed
kept
up.
coming back and arguing with me. And I told you to do something. So you can take your glasses and walk away, because we're done. She will be able to call you.
So where is she? Can I ask where she's fucking
I haven't
going?
decided if I'm going to take her to jail yet or take her to a drunk take. Haven't decided yet.
She's obviously drunk. Why would you take her to jail?
Because of all the things that happened in this parking lot and just now.
She didn't put her hands on anybody. She didn't.
I was watching the whole time. She just swung at a dude, tried to punch him in the face,
She swung-
chased him around the parking lot, has been wrestling with you for the past 45 minutes.
So for me, I give you that. But that's my girl, so I don't
got you.
really take claim on
That's
that.
fine,
Like I don't
but
take abuse.
The people in the parking lot that she's swinging on and chasing, you
I'm
were
gonna be
right.
honest.
You saw the
I
whole
did
thing.
not. I went to pee right behind that bush right
You
there,
were
sir.
holding her back from these people.
I did hold her back from these people.
Bottom line,
but
I'm not here to argue with you. We're done.
Sir,
so don't come back over there.
Respect,
We're
but I'm
done.
telling you, I did not see her actually
That's fine.
actively
I don't need you to
swing.
see anything. I saw it with my eyes. I have two eyes, beautiful eyes.
So what's
They're great.
going on?
Have a nice-
Rylan was charged with battery on law enforcement, resisting an officer, and disorderly intoxication. She pled not guilty on all charges, but on September 3rd, she was found guilty on all three.